Hey friends, this is Atif Opier, and welcome to the new update on Mana. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, we had a very nice rally, but the price line got rejected by a quite long-term resistance of 85 cents. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. Now, if we move to the live chart, this is, by the way, a 7-day time frame chart. And this was the recent down channel that we have been following in my so many previous videos. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, from this channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at 85 cents. And by the way, over there, we have a quite long-term resistance that has been previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here, almost as a resistance here, by the way. This time the price went very close to this resistance, but could not hit this resistance. And here, you can see that the price is once again rejected by this resistance of 85 cents, 85.6 cents. And after this rejection, the price dropped down. And now recently, we have broken down another very long-term support of 50 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks, and resistance here and support here. And now it is again flipped into a resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this 50 cents support level, the price and again broke it out, but again, it has broken it down. And now there is a probability that we may test the next long-term support of 37 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared on 18th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Mana was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line as expected and predicted dropped more down, completed the final leg here. Then we had a nice pump, and then we had a bigger pump. And so far, it has rallied almost 118%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Mana. And this is a 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line of Mana was moving inside this quite long term down channel since after the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of September 2024. And after the breakout, price line rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low, and last time it was testing the support of the channel here up to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 293%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 85.6 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance. And after this rejection, we have broken down this long-term support of 50 cents, and now the pricing can drop down to the next long-term support of 37 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and support here. And this time again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Mana. Now, on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out the previous very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, since after this breakout from the wedge, the pricing could not break out this long-term key resistance of 85.6 cents. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, still we will need to break it out. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, by the way, here at the top of this wedge, that is somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.